Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. MovinsEdition introduced Adidas Missy Elliot Remix. It's a new product. It's a new product with the Adidas Originals, Respect Emi lineup that's hard to find. Respect Emi is the first greatest hits album by American rapper-songwriter Missy Elliot. It's a new product that called Missy Elliot, the godmother of American pop, participated in the design development. It is a product known as Lee Hyori boots in Korea. The unique hip-hop design inspired by Missy Elliot makes the remix three-stripe classic boots sure conversation starters at any party. Lee-high athletic boot hybrids work well with either dress or casual wear. Traditional three-stripe Adidas logo for a distinctive, old-school look. To Velcro straps for added stability, comfort, and convenience. These are Missy Elliot remix lace-up boots in white and blue with camouflaged lining. Like Misdemeanor herself, the Adidas Missy Elliot Remix three-stripe classic women's boots have their own one-of-a-kind style, and they will always grab attention in a crowd. These knee-high boots combine the throwback look and comfort of retro Adidas sneakers with the hottest club fashion for a look as unique as their name's sake. Incredibly versatile, the Adidas Missy Elliot Remix three-stripe classic women's boots can be both a great way to turn heads in the mall and the most comfortable, fashionable pair of motorcycle boots you've ever worn. A great item for any lifestyle, whether you're dancing at the hottest clubs, riding a motorcycle, or just hanging out with your friends. The Adidas Missy Elliot Remix three-stripe classic women's boots give any outfit a distinct look that will really set you apart. This was Adidas Missy Elliot Remix women's boots. Awesome boots. Did you enjoy it? Have a good day.